Those boys came up on social media and say your soap will set people free from suffering. I need the NAFDAC certificate number of that soap, because I want to ask NAFDAC, what are the ingredients in that soap that you approve? A soap that can free Nigerians from suffering. That guy is on point, man. Don't you want to see the ingredients that are on that soap that will liberate Nigerians? Don't you want to see the ingredients? In fact, all of Africa wants the ingredients. If the ingredients are convincing, we will order for 10 trailers of that soap, because we want everybody in Akwa Ibom to be free from suffering. That is why one of those boys came up.
People ask, Jeremiah want to use miracle soap, this one. Everywhere. I wonder, are you not tired of suffering? Now listen carefully.